Hey everyone! Alright, so today we're going to explore multiplying through repeated addition, skip counting, over and over again doing the same thing. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about what that looks like. So here I have a pattern of adding 3 every time. So it's almost like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So the way I do that is I just skip those other two numbers and I'll say that third number. So it'll be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Those are the normal numbers that you know when you're skip counting by 3's. And they're a little bit new for you guys, so we should maybe do it a couple times. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. There are a ton of fun songs out there that practice this skip counting, and I'll give you 2 of them in a minute. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. We're going to be skip counting today. 3, 6, 9. And the reason you're doing that is because when you get a problem with a whole bunch of 3's, you can just skip count, which will save you time. You could count all the potatoes here. Watch this. There are 4 bowls. There are 3 potatoes in each bowl. So I have 3 potatoes, and I have 3 potatoes, and I have 3 potatoes, and I have 3 potatoes. What I really have is I have 3 plus 3 plus 3. Oh, it's a lot of 3's. How many 3's? 4 3's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 3's you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's your answer. It always works. You can count by 1's. You could count by 3's. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, right? As long as you know where to stop, you'll get the right answer. So counting by 3's does save you a little bit of time. It's called skip counting because you get to skip some of the numbers. It's faster. But you could count by 1's too. It's just fine. In the book, they do their skip counting in kind of an unusual way. Look at them here. They're going 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Then they come all the way down to 18. It's a little bit strange that they do that zigzag kind of thing in there. But what they're really doing is they're just skip counting all those same numbers as I was doing. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 10 3's is 30. 9 3's is 27. 8 3's, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 3's, 1 3 is 3. 0 3's would be 0. And that's what they're showing you here. 0 3's, 1 3. 2 3's, 3 3's, 4 3's, 5 3's. Down here we have 6 3's, 7 3's, 8 3's, 9 3's, and 10 3's. So when they ask you these problems, you can just use your skip counting, use that kind of number line across the top of your screen that I'm going to give you to count for the answer. Speaking of answers, these are a few problems I'd like you to find the answer for. I actually suggest you do this page second. Okay, it's matching, and it's kind of once you've found all the answers, right? So I'm going to hold off on this page, and I'm going to suggest that you start here with your fingers. That's what I really like to start with. So hold up 5 fingers for me, kind of this first hand, and we're just going to count it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Yeah, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. You should get really good at counting those up. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Then you could keep going onto your second hand. So it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. And if you forget any of those numbers, I have them right across the top of the page for you. So now they just want you to practice. Okay, here they say start at 9 and keep going. So I'm going to start at 9 and I'm going to go to 12. Got it. 15. Got it. Oh, 18 is the next one. So I found the next number in the pattern, and I'm just going to keep bouncing along all the way till I'm out of blanks. Here I'm going to start on 12 and I'm going to go to the next one. It should be 15, then 18, 21, 24. So you're just continuing the skip counting for these two. So you're using your fingers, using the number line, you're continuing the skip counting. This is probably the best part of the page right here. What I want you to do is I want you to say, okay, I need 4 fingers. Put up 4 and say 3, 6, 9, 12. There's your answer. 12. Put up 2 fingers. 3, 6. There's your answer. Put up 6 fingers. Right? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. There's your answer. Use the number line, use your fingers to get all of these answers, and even solve the word problem down at the bottom. Once you kind of get the hang of using your fingers, then come back to this first page and say, hey, what are 6 3's again? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 0 3's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18. So they drew a line from 6 3's down to 18 because they're the same. Okay? 4 3's, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 12. So I'm going to draw a line to the 12, I think. Nope, my bad. I'm going to draw a line to the 12. Right? And the only thing that are tricky on here is a couple of these are not numbers. 8 groups of 3 is just the same as 8 times 3. So some of these that you're going to be matching up are not answers. They're just another way of stating that same question. 10 groups of 3 is the same as 10 3's. 4 groups of 3 is the same as, oh my heaven, it's another one of those matching pages that by the time you're done, it's going to look like a tornado went through here. So, show what you know on the second page, and then come back and make me a multiplication tornado on page 133. Maybe use different colors to help me figure out what you're doing. It would be kind of nice. I have a couple fun songs for you and a giant 3 that you're going to put your skip counting in order for on the next page. Okay? Thanks very much, guys. Bye.